Hey, hi again, and welcome to this new section of the course. And in this section, you're going to build the second application of the course. And specifically, what you're going to build with Python is this web map that you see here. So a web map is a map that is displayed through a browser and can be visited through the web. So this map was built with Python and Folium. Folium is a Python library, and the map has 3 layers. It has a base map layer, the one that you see here, with its names on the back, and it has a polygon layer, which represents the population of the countries, and also we have this point layer here with these dots, and you can turn on and off these layers. You also have these pop-up windows. So this is what you're going to build, and yeah, let's go ahead and do this. See you in the next lecture.